today we're going to go over how to draw Knuckles, the echidna's glove, okay? It's going to be his glove, and that's it, alright? This is Knuckles from Sonic. Let's get started. Real simple, easy, for beginners, so stick around. It's going to be short, really short lesson. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to start by drawing a curve there on the side of the hand. Curve along here on the back side of the hand. Down. Curve here, in, line over here, line right here. Pulling in for the thumb area, pull back, got that kind of boxing glove look. Curve line over here where it gets to the cuff of the arm. Gonna go on this side. Line out, go over here to the bottom, curve right here for the bottom of the cuff, and line here. Line, gonna go right here, out for the spike, down, line right here. Line in, out, down. Okay, so far so good. Gonna draw a line downward here, kind of like where it's sewn in. A curve a line here, right there, to kind of show where it's sewn in there. And you can throw a line right here, thin line, down the side of the glove. And then one last thing I want to do here, I want to draw a thicker line around the outside of Knuckles' glove. If you know of anything else you want me to close up, go over, let me know. I can kind of zoom in on different parts of different characters to kind of like give you more, definitive way of how to draw that thing. Sometimes people have issues on very specific things. Don't forget to hit that like button, it takes 2 seconds, and hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Don't forget to check out the official website, and that is on sketchingeasy.com. There's a beginner drawing lesson over there that you should check out. Go check that out. If you have shaky hands or anything, it'll get rid of it in a week. Thank you so much. That's Knuckles' glove from Sonic, and I'll talk to you next time.